Okay guys, we're here today at the Ocala chili cook-off, and the driver formerly known as James has the day off. There's my son's mother. She is playing the role of the drummer formerly known as James today.
I'm not a drummer, I'm driving.
Driver, did I say drummer?
You said drummer. Okay,
Holy
we are in retro rock.
Well, I just went to that powwow the other day.
You went to the Indian powwow?
I did.
How did it go?
It was awesome. There's a car show going on here, I guess. Do you want to look at the car show first?
I would love to.
All right, then. Okay, check out this vet. That is cool. And I like this guy's sign. Yes, it's fast, and no, you can't drive it. Very nice.
Tend to have to use it. That's the problem.
Because every girl is crazy about a sharp-dressed man. And this car is for sale if anyone's interested.
Hi, how you doing?
How you doing?
Driving today. I hope you get a lot of hits on your phone.
Man, that is sweet. Like the rims.
You have a great weekend. Look at this paint job. Wow.
Clean as a whistle under there.
Sorry. Yeah, don't tell Ken I got a flying squirrel. Come eat it.
I never will. That is a 1965 Chrysler Newport, 6-passenger station wagon. Surfboard on top, that's rad.
My friend Bobby had one of these. He dated my friend Donna, and he had one of these. Oh my God.
Now that's what you want to arrive at.
Beached in that.
This is what you want to arrive at the beach in. We got a 1969 Dodge Super Bee.
Oh my God, hot
And I
stuff.
really like that color. That is just nice. I like all these cars got sweet rims. That is just nice. Okay, and from the hot rods to the low riders. That is nice. I see this and I just think of Rob Bass for some reason. It takes two.
Low rider is a little slower.
Cruising down the street in my 6'4". That is just nice. So thanks to my baby mama's keen eye, I know this is a 72, complete with them 6x9s in the back deck. It was probably dropped. Kid yourself. Sweet. This one's cool. It has the old drive-in tray on the side. Very nice. There is a 1929 Ford.
Yeah, and it's
Is that a Model T?
you could still fix them up because it didn't matter how long it was there.
Guess I'm gonna have to ask this guy now.
Work with, but we didn't even have to weld on it.
Okay, I was wrong. I thought this was a Model T. It's a Model A.
I mean, that's what.
Very cool.
They grow.
27.
So this is the 1929 Model A. The Model T is 1927. Just go around and get a quick shot of the back. Surfs up. Very cool. And I like this truck over here too. I love the old square bodies. Rust and all, that's cool. The owner of this Model A is a fan of Jimmy Buffett. Like the rims. And this one is just as pretty on the inside as it is on the outside.
Street screamers. It's like, oh my God.
Okay, car shows. We're done looking at the cars. We're going to go into the chili cook-off and see what's going in here. Okay guys, there is the pepper patch. We're just going to take a little walk around here. There's the professional firefighters of Ocala. Big turnout today. Chili. The firefighter chili was very good.
Yep, well, let me get out of your way then.
So next up is Palm Chevrolet. We're going to try their chili. And the Mission Barbecue chili was very good.
Brisket in it, western, it was a little spicy, but nothing was very spicy.
It wasn't scorching hot.
It wasn't a scorcher. You could taste the food, the meat, and the beans, and the other spices. It was really good. I'm a food snob, so yeah.
Very
I
nice.
like cheese.
Okay, so the Palm Chevrolet tasted like Hormel. I think next we're going to try TJM. Okay, for those keeping score, TJM promos is very good as well. This is Advent Health of Ocala. Hey there.
This is Rhonda's husband. I'm Doug's wife.
There you go.
Okay, be good. No patty fingers.
Anything
on
goes
the
in
chili.
2025,
This
right?
is
Hopefully
chili.
they're watching this.
That is what everyone is competing for. Okay guys, we're leaving the chili cook-off. I had a good time. Baby mama, did you have a good time?
Yes, of course.
Very nice.
What's not to like? Chili on your chili on your chili, and very spicy.
And we tried some good ones and we tried some stinkers.
Yeah, yeah. They love you.
One of them, I swear, was a can of Hormel.
This ain't my first rodeo, baby.
It tasted just like they opened Hormel
You guys
chili.
want to come back in or you're done?
You cook it.
You want to come back in? I'll give you a little there if you want, Rick.
Thank you.
All right?
Thank you.
Thank you.
And we had a good time looking at all the cars. It was a nice day out.
Yep. Weather's good. Life is good.
All right, everybody.
I'm here. I'm seeing you. Nothing.
Oh, I thought you said something.
No, that was the lady on the phone. So,
Oh, okay. Thanks for watching, everybody.
hot cars, hot chili, and hot old broads. What
There
can
you
you
go.
say? Huh?
We will see you guys very soon. And peace.
See you in a few.